first I will show you the basic version of this chain. So like this, you just execute double if it's double. You can showing like this, and then you put him in this position on the edge of your deck. See, this is double. Show like this, and secretly you just slide back, can create a space right here. Okay, so the back card, okay, in this position, we just give a space by sliding like this, and you can hold like this. And then to do the chain is easy. You just use your fingers and just slide, or you just pull the front card like this, remain the back card. So one more time here, show, you give a little bit slide like this, so there's a space. Of course you do it when you showing the card, just slide. After that you just showing like this, and you shake, you just pull like this, and you can take this final card. And in the actual version, I do the chain with the deck in this position, which the back is facing the audience, and the card chain will be in this position. So this is will give a better looking and more convincing. And how to do it, it's same, but example, you want to change this card into this card as to king. All you do, you just take any card and put it face down in between these two cards. Okay, and you just hold it together like this, and it's same. You just showing this card first, and you just turn this dead facing you, and you just turn over the card and showing like this, but in fact this is three card. Okay, so make sure, okay, you just tilt the deck facing you, and then you just turn the card face out. Don't let your spectator see the bottom card first. Okay, so here, show, take a triple leaf, turn face up, and it's same. All you do, you just give a slide, so there's a space right here, and you just hold like this. And to do the chain, it's same. You just shake and just pull these two cards together like this, and remain the last card. After that, you can turn again and show you only left with one card, and because you expect to see nothing here, and you are clean. But in fact, the first card is hide right here. So one more time. So you just set up three cards like this. There's one face down card in the middle, these two cards. Put it together on the back. Just tilt the deck facing you, and just take triple leaf and showing the card like this. And you are ready. Just shake, take, and pull like this, and showing the last card. And I just pull down, showing it's completely only left with one card. And yep, you can turn over your deck and hand out this final card for examination.